today's lecture is the last lecture of verb. Now we have covered all the verbs, their basic categories and their types. So let's begin our lesson. Before going towards our lesson, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel Voice of Absar yet, then please subscribe it and push the bell icon. Today's is finite verb and infinite verb. Finite verb. These verbs are also called bare infinitive. Bare infinitive. They usually change their form according to subject. ऐसे वर्ब हैं bare infinitive या finite verbs, ऐसे वर्ब हैं जो कि आम तौर पर अपनी हालत को, अपनी फॉर्म को सब्जेक्ट के मुताबिक ढाल देते हैं। उस मिसाल के तौर पर He seemed amazing yesterday. Yesterday seemed amazing. He seemed yesterday. इसने और सब्जेक्ट ने he और seemed क्योंकि क्वालिफाई कर रहे थे अभी इसको, तो यहाँ पर इसने इस वर्ब ने अपनी फॉर्म को yesterday के मुताबिक और he के हिसाब से एडजस्ट कर लिया। Now go towards the definition of the infinitive verb, infinite verb. These are also called infinitive verbs. These are also called infinitive, and they always take to before them. जब तक हम to को नहीं लेंगे, इनकी फॉर्म नहीं बन सकती। For example, you are requested to sit on your allotted seats. आपसे गुजारिश है कि आप अपनी जो आपको सीट्स अलॉट की गई हैं उन पे तशरीफ रखें। To sit, they requested sit. In this way, there would be wrong. ये हमेशा अपने साथ to लेते हैं। You will advise him to go there. You will advise him to go there. We used to take baths in the village. अब यहाँ पर आपने देखा कि सबसे पहले to आया है, जबकि अगर ऊपर देखें they smell the flowers. They smell the flowers. They look at the poor. They look at the poor. अब देखिए यहाँ पे look में to की जरूरत नहीं है, तो वो ये सेंटेंस चला गया bare infinitive की तरफ, ये चला गया infinitive की तरफ। I hope you understood. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and follow the different grammatic approach through my YouTube channel. See you. Allah Hafiz.